Hey, what's up, Ecash coin holder? What's going on this time? Ecash coin minus 7.9% price is decreased now. Very bad fails, but win and where, my friend, the huge pump is coming soon. Yes, absolutely, my friend. This is 70% chance to the huge pump is coming soon. But don't worry, my brother. If they were also, my friends, take a huge pump, so I hope, my friends, to just and only after the mid of month. Absolutely, after the mid of month, there is a 70% chance to the price will pumps up because after the mid of month, every coin will price increase now because a short time investor or invest for my friends short time. And definitely if you also, my friends, want to get a profit now, please invest for a short time. I hope, my friends, to Ecash will give you a profit. So in the last 10 days of month, absolutely, my friend, the price will pumping up because, my brother, is absolutely there is a true reason, especially short time investor and long term investor. The short term investor are stop selling and the long term investor are starting investing, so therefore the price is increasing. My friend, as you can see here, the market cap 4 billion. Absolutely, the market cap is increasing. So if a market cap is increasing, definitely the price will be increasing now. So you can see at 24-hour trading volume, as you can see here, my friend, you can see here 2 billion, and my friend, circulating supply is 18 trillion, my friend, you can see here. So total supply, you can see 21 trillion, and max supply, as you can see, my friend, is not available, so I'm sorry for that. And here, as you can see, my friend, the chart result, so the chart result is completely show you to the price will dumps down. But don't worry, my friend, it's absolutely, my friends, possible to after a dump every coin will pumps up now. So therefore I hope to an upcoming time the very huge pump is coming soon. So please hold your, if you want to get a profit now, please hold down in those days. I hope, my friends, to this coin will completely give you a profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope, my friends, they will make you a millionaire if you are just an only hold down. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.